Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So, let me tell you the topics which we will discuss today. We will learn about how to create a new project in Android Studio. We will see how to create new empty activities. Okay, we will also see what is an activity and what are the rule of XML file and Kotlin file in the Android Studio. So, coming to the Android Studio, here you can see the new empty activity. Which the new empty view activity which I have created is my name, and here you can see this is shown. This is open now. So coming to the project creation, so first of all, here you can see if you want to create the new project, when you will install the Android Studio, you will have this dialog box in front of you. You have to click on the empty activity. When you will click on next, it will ask you the name which you want to your application. The name whatever you will give, it will come in the front of, in means it will come with the name of your package. Like my application you have given to the, in my application is the name which you have given, and this is the location where you want to make your project. You can also create the new folder also. When you will click here, this is the folder option, with the help of which you can create the new folder. Where you want to create, this is a minimum SDK which is required. After the installation of Android Studio, the SDK plays a very important role. You have to do its settings also. okay Here you don't have to do any change, and when you will click on finish button, your file will get generated and it will open in this way. From here you have to select the Android option and you will see all the things there. This is the package, these are the files which I've created there. This is the empty views activity which I have created here. Now how to create the empty views activity? When you will click on the main menu, you will see the file option there. Here is the new option. You have to come down. Here you will see this is activity option, and you have to select empty views activity there. I have given the name my name. So the my name is appearing there and the file is open. Here you have to give some another name, whatever you want. This is the layout name given. Package name is the same. Because we are creating it inside a package. This is the language which is going to use. You have to click on the finish button. Once you will click there, your file will get open. It will take a lot of process. You have to wait there. It will gradually. Your interconnection has to be very fast in that case. You don't have to shut down, or you can say you don't have to off your, you don't have to minimize your app. So now coming to the topics. So first of all, we will see what is an activity. So whenever you are going to open any app, like for example, you are opening your Instagram app. So what it is going to ask you? It is going to ask you like, what is your Instagram password? What is your Instagram? Can say what is your username and password? It will ask, and you are not having, if then it will ask to create the new user account. But suppose you are opening some another application, then what it is going to open? In some another application, it will ask you like for sign up. It will ask you for sign up, and it will say like, what is your first name? okay what is your last name? It will ask, like, it will say for the first name. Then it will ask for the email ID also. When you are going to give the inputs, and it will say for the sign up. When you will click on the sign up button, and then you will get signed up there. So what is going to happen there? It will ask for the last name, so you can see. So I'm going to tell you that what is an activity. So the interface which is coming in front of you after opening any app, this is called what? This is called activity. Means to say, whatever elements which are present in front of you after opening the app is the part of an activity. So what we can say, what is an activity? Activity is the we can say it is the component of Android Studio, or also the interface. It is the interface, okay, which comes in front of us, in front of which comes in front of user after opening any app, after opening any app, okay. Also, it is the main component of Android Studio because this is the one thing in which we are going to add our all the elements which will be present inside our app. Component of Android Studio. So the program means to say the app which we will create, it will have first name, means to say the first app which we are going to create will have, it will ask for first name, it will ask for last name, and then we will have one sign up button. In the last we are having one sign up button here. And when the user will give input, then what will happen? When the user is going to write the input in the text boxes, then this information has to pass somewhere, because this information is not getting lost. It will get lost if, then what will happen? Our an account is not getting created there. Okay, so our information has to pass somewhere. So the file in which our information is going to pass is which file? This is called our Kotlin file. Okay, Kotlin file. So this is our Kotlin file in which our main information will be present, and this is the file in which we will do our main programming. Our main programming will be present inside the Kotlin file. It will decide like what to do with the information which is given by the user. So now what comes, like, what is the XML file? What is the role of XML file there? What is XML file? XML file is the file in which we are going to design, we are going to describe the design of our app. Like this is the file, like I have created this box. This is the file which is having the design of our app, which is having the first name, which is having the last name, and then the sign in button. When the user is going to provide the first name and last name, okay, it is going to press the sign up button. The XML file is going to pass all the information to the Kotlin file, and then all the actions will get performed on the information which is given by the user.